Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this Toyota Key Fob. This is out of a lot of the 1990s Toyotas, and here's all you need. You need your replacement battery. This takes one of the 2032s, and you get these on Amazon. They're not expensive, and there's a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. And then also a small Phillips head screwdriver. So on the back of this, a little screwdriver, a little screw right here. Take that out, and then these two come apart. And their little chain, mine fell off there, no big deal. Okay, so there is your old battery, and it actually says right here, positive side down. So take out your old battery, put your new battery in, this side first, push it down, and you can just bring that like that. And before you screw it in, you can give it a test, make sure your battery's working. Okay, you see the red light, you're good to go. Screw it back in, you're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.